logs will warm you well that are old and dry. Logs of pine will sweetly smell, but the sparks will fly. Birch logs will burn too fast, chestnuts scarce at all, sir, and hawthorn logs are known to last, that are cut down in the fall, sir. Surely you will find there's none compare with the hardwood logs that are cut in winter time, sir. Holly logs will burn like wax, you can burn them green. Elm logs burn like smoldering flax, with no flames to be seen. Beech logs for winter time, Yule logs as well, sir. Green alder logs, it is a crime for any man to sell, sir. Surely you will find there's none compare with the hardwood logs that are cut in winter time, sir. Pear logs and apple logs, they will scent your room. Cherry logs across the dogs smell like flowers in bloom. But ash logs, smooth and grey, buy them green or old, sir, and buy up all that come your way, for they're worth their weight in gold, sir. Surely you will find there's none compare with the hardwood logs that are cut in winter time, sir. Surely you will find there's none compare with the hardwood logs that are cut in winter time, sir.